No intro this week. It. The home appraisal process coming your way. Stay tuned. Hey there, Dewan Smith with Red Zone Realty here again. Thanks for stopping by today. My wish is that this video finds you well. Welcome to the Lighthouse. Take a load off and get comfortable. You're amongst friends. I'm a licensed real estate agent providing services to the greater Jacksonville, Florida area and its surrounding counties. We're inching our way towards closing day, but we're not there yet. In this video, we're going to examine another key step. That step is the home appraisal. What exactly is a home appraisal? Simply put, an appraisal is an unbiased professional opinion of a home's value. Appraisals are almost always used in purchase and sale transactions and commonly used in refinance transactions. In a purchase and sales transaction, an appraisal is used to determine whether the home's contract price is appropriate given the home's condition, location, and features. Lenders want to make sure that homeowners are not over borrowing for a property because the home serves as collateral for the mortgage. If the borrower should default on the mortgage and go into foreclosure, the lender will sell the home to recoup the money it lent. The appraisal helps the bank protect itself against lending more than it might be able to recover in this worst case scenario. Because the appraisal primarily protects the lender's interest, the lender will usually order the appraisal. An appraisal costs several $100s and generally the borrower pays this fee. According to the Appraisal Institute, which is an association of professional real estate appraisers, a qualified appraiser should be licensed or certified as required in all 50 states and should also be familiar with the local area. Per federal regulations, the appraiser must be impartial and have no direct or indirect interest in the transaction. A property's appraisal value is influenced by recent sales of similar properties and by current market trends. The home's amenities, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, floor plan, functionality, and square footage are also key factors in assessing the home's value. The appraiser must do a complete visual inspection of the interior and exterior and note any conditions that adversely affect the property's value, such as needed repairs. Typically, appraisers use the Uniform Residential Appraisal Report from Fannie Mae for single-family homes. The report asks the appraiser to describe the interior and exterior of the property, the neighborhood, and nearby comparable sales. The appraiser then provides an analysis and conclusions about the property's value based on their observations. The report must include the following: a street map showing the appraised property and comparable sales used, an exterior building sketch, an explanation of how the square footage was calculated, photos of the home's front, back, and street view, front and exterior photos of each comparable property used, other pertinent information such as market data, public land records, and public tax records that the appraiser requires to determine the property's fair market value. Now, if I were a betting man, I would wager that neither you nor the seller wants the transaction to fall through. As the buyer, you have an advantage in that a low appraisal can serve as a negotiating tool to convince the seller to lower the price. The bank won't lend you, or any other prospective buyer for that matter, more than the home is worth. While appraisals help buyers avoid overpaying for homes, a seller may feel that a low appraisal is inaccurate and be reluctant to drop the price. If a bad appraisal is standing between you and your home purchase, look into getting a second opinion via another appraisal by a different person. Appraisers are human and can make mistakes or have imperfect information. When everything goes smoothly, the home appraisal is just another box to check on the closing checklist. When the appraisal value is lower than expected, the transaction can be delayed or even canceled. Regardless of which situation you encounter in your home buying experience, a basic understanding of how the appraisal process functions can only work in your favor, especially if you're buying your first home. If you enjoyed this latest visit to the Lighthouse, hit the like button for me.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
I'm interested to read about any nuggets you took from this. Go ahead and leave me a comment down in the box. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe to the channel. Once you do, ring my bell so you can be alerted when a new video is hot off the press and ready for you to enjoy. Finally, you know how I end this. If there's anything in the world I can do for you, please let me know. Until next time, this is Dewan Smith, your Real Estate Lighthouse, wishing you all the best in your house hunting endeavor. Peace.